Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a song in Mozart AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is make sure we got Mozart AI installed on your mobile device. Go to your Player App Store and go ahead and download and install. Then basically from here we can go ahead and start using Mozart. So you might need to sign in or create a new account. And then from here, click on the create button, and then we got this enter text. So we can go ahead and paste in our text or song prompt to create your song. So I've got one here generated from ChatGPT just for this demonstration. So this is a chill lo-fi prompt. So I'm going to paste that in like so. So basically, I want them to create a chill lo-fi song with soft piano, vinyl crackle, and light drums. The mood should be calm, nostalgic, and perfect for studying or late night thinking. Then from here, we've got Inspire Me To. You can use that, but I'm going to skip that for now. Now, we're going to choose the style. So I'm going to do a relaxing vibe for this and click Apply. And also the genre. So we want a lo-fi. So I'm going to try and find ambient or instrumental if they got it here. So, alright, so here we go, instrumental. Then from here, simply we can go in and click on the microphone. So we've got vocal options. So we've got languages to choose from: English, Spanish, French, etc. And we've even got vocal gender, random, male or female. Or you can add your own voice if you want to do that as well. So I'm just going to keep it English, and I'm going to keep this random, and then hit apply. Now from here, I'm going to go ahead and click on that create music button. So just give that a few moments to generate your song. So as it states there, it takes 1 to 2 minutes. Now if you don't want to wait, you can go ahead and click on notify me and do whatever. Go do some doom scrolling on TikTok or whatever, and then it's going to notify you that your song is ready. Okay, so once the song is finished, it's going to come to this page here, and then here it is here. So fragment of us. So not bad.